Yakni benta jong kubor la wanra speed daga fatafat online shopping store.
Number one, I would like to inform you that the Cabinet has approved the proposal brought in by Sports, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. $64.34 acres of land at Sauli, New Shillong Township, Mao Diang Diang for the preparation of the 39th National Games. As you all know, that the land in Mao Diang Diang, which is known as New Township Shillong, is being looked after by Urban Affairs Department as well as GAD. So, Sports and Youth Affairs Department has requested the Cabinet to kindly approve for immediate taking over or taking possession of 64.34 acres of land, and the Cabinet today has approved the proposal where the possession of the said land will be taken over or will be transferred immediately to the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. This is the agenda number one where the Cabinet has approved today. The agenda number two, again brought in by the Transport Department, relating to enhancement of passengers' fare throughout the state. The proposal is like this. The public transport, state carriage contract, carriage and mini buses. The existing rate that we have till today was 1.05 rupees, 1.05 rupees per passenger per kilometer, and the proposed enhanced rate is rupees 1.80 per passenger per kilometer. From 1.05 per passenger per kilometer, the proposal to increase was 1.80 per passenger per kilometer. Number two, for above 7 seaters, those vehicles, be it Sumo, be it Mahindra Max, so on and so forth, above 7 seaters up to 12 seaters, the previous rate was 2.05 per head per kilometer, and the proposed enhancement is 3.60 per head per kilometer. So the Cabinet is pleased to approve the proposal submitted by the Transport Department with immediate effect.